Good morning everyone. Now today we are starting our second lesson, Mesopotamian civilization. In our last live session I told today I will start the next lesson. You can watch the video, okay. No need, after completing first lessons not only you can start to write the lecture note of the second lesson. Anyway, listen the topic. The second civilization, already we studied in the introduction of the first lesson about the name of this civilization. It is known as Mesopotamian civilization. First, the location of the Mesopotamian civilization, where it is located. The Mesopotamian civilization is said to be the oldest among the Bronze Age civilization. We studied in the first lesson introduction about the Bronze Age civilization. Among the Bronze Age civilization, this Mesopotamian civilization is the oldest one. And it emerged in the fertile land between the Tigris and Euphrates. The rivers also we studied between the rivers Tigris and Euphrates. It is located now in modern Iraq. That means that it is lies between the two rivers. That's why the term Mesopotamia means the land between the rivers. Remember once again the term or the name Mesopotamia, which means the land between the rivers. Okay, the Tigris and the Euphrates rivers run parallel to each other, and during floods they overflow their banks and deposit alluvial silt. That means the most fertile soil along the lower reaches of the plain. Thus the region's location between the two rivers and its fertile soil that gave rise to the settlements in this region, that is commonly known as Mesopotamian civilization. Once again, just to concentrate these points only in between. This is the oldest, which is the oldest Bronze Age civilization. Remember, among the Bronze Age civilization is Mesopotamian civilization, where it is located in between the rivers, two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates. And because of this, between the two rivers, the word meaning of Mesopotamia is the land between the rivers. Okay. Now you listen the origin of the Mesopotamian civilization, how it was originated and where it was originated, like that. Just listen that one. Mesopotamia is a region, not a country. It's a region or not at all a country. It refers to the area between the Euphrates and Tigris rivers. Already we studied in modern Iraq. It formed the whole surrounding boundary within which was a number of city-states. Just remember, it's not a region, or we studied it's not a country, only a region. But inside this region, different city-states were there. Important 4 city-states are there. One by one, want to study. The struggle for the power in between these city-states struggled, and one city-state its ruler conquered another city-state, like that. In between conflict was there in between the city-states. First city-state is Sumer. Listen, it's around 3500 BCE. The Sumerians developed the world's first civilization. Remember, this is started. This area is actually started. Citizens or this place is actually started under the Mesopotamian civilization. That's why you remember one thing. It is not there in the text, anyway you remember. That's why this Mesopotamian civilization is otherwise known as Sumerian civilization, because this is the first city-state and the first region formed under the Mesopotamian civilization. And it is in the southernmost region of Mesopotamia. The actual Mesopotamia, the southernmost region, was known as Sumer. They developed agriculture and trade and the world's first known cities. The most important cities of these were Erech, Eridu, Lagash and Ur. Ur is the most important city of the Sumer. Just for understanding only, the names of the city-states one by one only want to study. And Sumer is often referred to as the cradle of the civilization. Cradle means we know that you all one experienced about what is cradle. So the childhood time we used this cradle. Tottil ennaanu parayatto. So remember, it is known as the cradle of civilization at the first starting. That is known as Sumerian. So Sumer is otherwise known as the cradle of civilization. Remember, it's a 1 mark question. Next city-state is Akkad. The city-state was located in the north of the north of Sumer, and also a strong ruler was there, and he was called as Sargon. He defeated the Sumerian ruler and established an empire by combining Sumer and Akkad. Akkadian ruler defeated Sumer and combined these two regions, Akkad and Sumer. And it was the Sargon introduced the Akkadian language. Their language was introduced by the ruler Sargon. Next city-state is known as Babylonia. It lay in the northeast of Sumer. Sumer's northeast position in this place, Babylonia. Hammurabi was the greatest Babylonian ruler. Just for remember the name only enough. Assyria, the last most important city-state under the Mesopotamian civilization was Assyria. The Assyrians settled in the valley of Tigris. In the valley of Tigris, they built their capital at Assur and were very powerful between the time of 1000 BC and 612 BCE. Ashurbanipal was the most important ruler of this region, Assyria. I already told you, students, this Mesopotamian civilization, it is not a country, I already told, just a region only. These were the different regions known as Sumer, Akkad, Babylonia and Assyria. Just remember the names and also what I wrote here, the most important points. You can copy this lecture note after completing first lesson's notework only. Anyway, watch the video, and if you have any doubt means we can discuss in our next live session. Okay, read the textbook very well after watching the video. Read the textbook. Okay, students, thank you.